Good morning, students. Myself D.K. Mina, PGT Chemistry from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Nasirabad. In last video, we discussed the law of mass action, their statement, their chemical reactions, etc. In this video, we will discuss about the equilibrium constant Kc and equilibrium constant Kc in gaseous systems and relation between the Kp and Kc. There are three important subtopics of the law of mass actions. So we will discuss about equilibrium constant. What is equilibrium constant for the reversible reaction, general chemical reactions, in which the small a and capital A, small b, capital B is reversible reaction, that is the forward reaction, that is the backward reactions, to form C and D, which have the coefficient small c and small d. These are the coefficients small a, small b, small c, small d are the coefficient, numerical coefficient of the particular reactions. At equilibrium state, the product upon reactant at Kc is the red code equilibrium constant. So, product upon reactant, the concentration of product C and D upon the concentration of the reacting species A and B. So we can easily understand by this example. And before this, Kc is equal to Q. The concentration ratio, Q is equal to concentration ratio. Molar concentration of C is power to C and the molar concentration of D power to small d upon molar concentration of the reacting substance A and power to small a molar concentration of the capital B and power to numerical coefficient B is equal to quotients. This is called concentration quotients. So Kc is equal to Q. This example for this N2 is gaseous substance. Plus 3H2 is a gaseous reactant to give 2NH3. That is the reversible reaction. In this case, the Kc is equal to NH3. There are two coefficients, two figure, which is raised to the power. Then the concentration of the reactant N2 and 3H2 are the N2 is 1 ratio, numerical coefficient is 1, and H2 is equal to 3 moles, therefore they raised to the 3. Therefore the Kc is equal to NH3, concentration of NH3 is square, and N2 and H2 power 3. So we can understand by the Kc. So Kc, it is the ratio of the equilibrium concentration. It is the ratio of the equilibrium concentration of the product to the reactant with each concentration term raised to the power equal to the numerical coefficient of the reacting substance in the balanced chemical reaction at constant temperature. So this is the ratio. Kc is the ratio of the product upon reactant concentration of the reacting substance in balanced chemical reaction. And if this case is applied in case of the gaseous system, equilibrium constant Kc in gaseous system. In this medium, the concentration expressed in the partial pressure of the gaseous reactant. So, concentration quotient Q is replaced by Qp. For this general reaction, here is the general reaction. So Qp is equal to Pc power C, numerical coefficient raised to C, and Pd is power to small d upon Pa power to A and Pb power to small d is equal to Pp. So Qp is equal to Kp. There are the first equations in case of the gaseous system, because case of the gaseous systems C is replaced by P, यानी concentration replaced by partial pressure P. So here relation between the Kp and Kc. Rate constant Kp is the rate constant in gaseous systems and Kc is equal to rate constant in general systems in liquid molecules. From equation Kp is equal to Pc power C, Pd power D, Pa power A, partial pressure of B, B power small b. Equilibrium involved in the gaseous species, where Pa, Pb, Pc and Pd are the partial pressure of the substance A, B, C and D respectively. If gaseous are ideal, so according to ideal gas equation, the PV is equal to nRT. Suppose V rearrange, so P is equal to N upon V RT, and we know that N upon V is equal to C. Here is concentration. So we can write this equation. We can write Pa, partial pressure of the reacting substance A is CaRT. Pb, partial pressure of the B reacting substance is equal to CbRT, and Pc is equal to Cc, capital C, CcRT. Above these values, put in equation 2. These values put equation 2. So therefore Kp is equal to C, capital CcRT power C, CdRT power D upon CaRT power A, small a, and CbRT power B. In next, so here RT, there is common. So this capital C, Cc upon power C, Cd power D common RT C plus D. These are the numerical coefficients, and CA power A, CB power B, RT A plus B are the coefficients. So Kp is equal to Cc power C, Cd power D, C